Good morning everyone. This is RVS Lakshmi, Assistant Professor, St. Peter's Engineering College. The topic is export transaction procedure. So let us know first what is an export transaction procedure. If you are framing a procedure to determine or to find the documents that is required for transactions, whether it is a commercial document, invoice documents or packaging list, transport documents or import documents, which includes bills, declaration forms and all, entry and all, we call it as a export transaction procedure. So we all know that transaction is like a state which anyone can be, two friends can transact something, whether it is a money, book or something. It was a dealing between the two. Here it is a dealing between the two companies or the two organization, whether it is an import or an export. So the procedure for an export transaction is a must. For everything in an ESB, you will be having, ESB is like entrepreneurship, small business enterprises. You will be having a procedure, whether to launch a business plan, whether to launch a new venture, whether to go with an export transaction, we will be having a procedure. The procedure is, it requires an internal marketing, the exporters and an improper in an export transaction are governed by distinct regularity and a framework of their own countries, like shipping, delivery and all comes into a picture. The terms are like, you may be asking me what are the terms. The terms are like export orders, which goes with the documents, examination and confirmation of that particular order, manufacturing, procuring goods, manufacturing or like procuring goods, clearance from the central government, pre-shipment inspection. Before shipment we need to inspect with the goods, that is a must. Digital payments, so payment should be cleared. If any digital transaction, you need to keep up with this. Appointment of clearance, goods to port and shipment, so transaction, port formalities, custom clearance, dispatching of documents, certificate of origin, dispatch of shipment, submission of documents to the bank, claiming of export incentive. So these are the terms which will be seen. So here in this diagram you will be seeing a framework from payment. So the payment is a must. In order to pay, what are the transaction, the billing, shipping, clearance, customer clearance or incentives, you will be seeing them. So you will, in between, you for a payment you will be having a bank, that is import bank or export bank with respect to the documents. So after the bank you will be having a signatures, right? So the signatures of that particular importer company and exporter company and the contract between them. So importer and exporter contract. So after both the signs are done, so it will be dispatching its load, port discharge, port of loading. So pre-checking and post-checking will be there, and both of them are carried very smoothly. We call it as a transaction procedure. So let us know again in briefly the procedure or the steps. Steps are like 12 steps, we can say. Export orders, which goes with the documents. Next one, examination, manufacturing, clearance. Okay, let me write them. As the diagram doesn't have, it only had a blank transaction and importer and exporter. It will be more helpful if I write them right. Examination of document, manufacturing, clearance, shipment, okay, custom clearance, dispatching, certificate of origin, incentive. These are the terms which you people need to remember, like export order, whether it is a bills or any orders. So documentation is a must. So whether it is a shipping or anything, you need to have a proper documentation to cross check. Got from the bank and a contract. Bills are must and should for the procurement and the orders. Thank you guys. Okay, let me tell you an example for this also. So whenever if I want to go with a prawns or fish export and import, then I need to go with quality, A grade quality, B grade quality or C grade quality. Up to that, then I need to claim my company's import and export and why I want to import them or export them. Next, then I need to frame with a contract, whether it is a first deal or it will be an yearly deal. Next, it should be dispatched. Before dispatching, it need to be checked, whether it is a quality check or whether it is a drug check, and all need to be checked. Before loading also we need to check them all. So in between the carrier there may be a damage, right? They need to be checked. The quality and all we need to check with them. This is one of an example. And also billing and all, grading, quality certificate, pesticides and all need to be checked, whether it is for prawns or any agriculture products, olives, tomatoes and everything. So automobile also you need to check them. This is the basic part of that, but it depends. For an automobile, for a battery and all, it is different, and it is different for here for vegetable goods. Thank you.